So today I'm going to install this flush mount light where this old light was. As you can tell, it's definitely seen better days and is way outdated, but stay tuned and I'm going to walk you step by step. So first I'm going to turn the power off to the light. Obviously I took out the light bulb, but you obviously just want to make sure you have the power turned off to the light. Then I'm going to go down to the basement. Obviously I have them all labeled, but I'm going to turn the breaker off. Sometimes I turn off more than I need to, but decided to. But here's where I'm pointing at the screws that you just want to unscrew, to take this off. And sometimes too, if they're older, well here, obviously I'm unscrewing that. This is if you have this particular light, but that comes off. It just makes it a lot easier if you unscrew that. And I'm showing you that these screws that kind of hold it into the ceiling come off, but just because it's old and they probably painted over it, especially if it's an older type home, sometimes it's hard to get off. So you just want to kind of use your screwdriver to unloosen it. But here's what everything looks like off. As you can see, you have a silver screw and let's just call it a gold screw. Just remember, the silver goes to white, the gold goes to black. So here's my silver screw there on that side, and the black screw. So again, with older homes, sometimes it's hard to tell because some of the wires aren't actually white or black wires. So keep that in mind. I'll repeat that. Some older homes, they're not really white and black wires, so you just want to keep the wires labeled. Here you can kind of faintly tell it's really hard to see in this video, but that wire's just a little darker, but yeah. So here's me unboxing it. So I'm just kind of showing you what it comes with. So I got two. With these, it doesn't actually come with two of those. It's literally just two separate lights. I'm just kind of showing you what the box comes in, shortly here it shows you all the pieces that come with it. But shortly here I'm going to start to install it, but I just want to give you a general idea of what comes in the actual box. Here's the second part. It's just literally the front of that portion right there. So, and that's pretty much it. Keep in mind there are no light bulbs that come with this one. I'll repeat, there are no light bulbs that come with that, but kind of skipped pretty fast ahead. But all you want to do, they kind of clip in there, so you just want to put the white wire with the silver, and then the kind of gold wire with the black, and they literally just kind of clip right in there. Showing you these screws here. So these are the ones that came with the actual light. Again, this is an older home, so the way that mount kind of is, it's you have to improvise, right? So what I did was, instead of obviously putting a whole new mount bracket up there, I'm just using what I have existing. So you want to make sure you just tighten it just a little bit, and what's going to happen is that screw is going to kind of go in there, and then you're going to turn it over to the side, and then you're going to screw it in. So it goes in the hole, you turn it to the side, then you're going to screw it in. So I screwed it in pretty tight. Keep in mind, you just want to make sure that it's as tight as you can go, because you don't want it to go. But the nice thing is it's just one light, so it's not too heavy. As you can see here, I'm screwing in, this is the portion that kind of holds the glass, dome, if you will. And if you notice, you kind of have the side with the washer going up. That's going to screw up into the light. Obviously, here's my dome glass piece here, so it just fits right in the center there, and you want to give it just a little bit of room. All right, so obviously kind of advanced there, but you want to make sure that piece kind of slides on to there, and you just want to screw it in. And here's me kind of keeping my fingers crossed to make sure I did it right. And I turn the light back on. Make sure obviously you turn the breaker on downstairs, or else you're not gonna get any power. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.